It's nitrogen. He's wearing gloves. He's going to make an explosion. We're at the STEM fair, and they're showing the Girl Scout science. Doing some stuff.
Hi guys, so I'm John. I'm a master educator at the Kentucky Science Center. And so to end the raffle, Chief said that we have a grand prize. So I'm going to do an explosion. First thing I'm going to do though is go through a couple of science experiments because I want to show you guys, even though science is cool, that's why we're here today, it's for STEM outreach, but we need to know why the weird things happening are happening. But I just wanted to say first, that this big blue ball amongst all of the ping pong balls isn't anymore. So, all right. So this is what's going to give you the grand prize. But yeah, please be respectful. Remember that we're all friends here. We're all here for the same reason. So real quick, I am going to set my bottle down here. I'm just going to set the microphone down for 1 moment. So, I will pour some liquid nitrogen into this clear bottle.
What are they all doing?
He's doing science.
Awesome. So I know some of you guys have seen this stuff throughout the day, and it looks just like water, but you see how it's bubbling and boiling, and it's turning the water vapor in the room into steam. So it will do a couple of weird things. Since it's boiling, who here has ever been cooking and they're boiling water and the pot started to jiggle around the top of it? Yeah.
We're gonna eat.
Yeah, we're going to go eat.
We're gonna eat here.
So that's going to happen here. I have the lid on here,
I don't want to eat.
and the lid pops open. But what's even cooler is if I put it in my Pringles can here. First of all that steam is still fun. But if I set it over here and put the lid on, it's hard to put the lid on with one hand. It pops that lid right off. So what do you think will happen? Yeah, it was building up pressure, exactly. So as it's boiling, the molecules get more energy, and then it becomes more pressurized. So what do you think is going to happen when I put it in this 2-liter bottle and put the lid on?
Stay back here.
It's going to explode? So, wait, did we already tell you guys there's going to be an explosion? Yeah. Okay. So that is what's going to happen here, is it is going to explode. Now the other thing is it will be very, very loud when it explodes, and so we will have to cover our ears. So, anyways, so this is going to take me about 30 seconds to fill up. Kim or Mike, would you like the microphone back to thank anybody today? Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Well, I am going to set it down. I've got a big voice, so I'll just talk to you guys while I'm doing it, because we have to do safe science. So, anyways, as I pour it in here, it is going to start bubbling. And we see that. Oh, we don't have to cover our ears just yet. I mean, we can. It'll be covered for a bit. But yeah, so we can see that it's bubbling and trying to come out already. Sometimes I have to wait a moment for it to settle. But once I get it nice and full
What are
of
we
liquid
gonna eat
nitrogen,
at?
I'll be able to put the cap on and it will expand.
What does expand mean?
Expand means get bigger. Like today, you expanded your knowledge. Did you have fun at all at the tables doing the experiments?
Yeah.
Then you expanded your knowledge today. And right now, I'm expanding your gas. But also, to make some cool fog, we're going to go ahead and pour that in there.
What is that?
Nitrogen. Some kind of nitrogen.
And right now is nitrogen. So now it's only safe
Can I
for you to
close
take
my
your
eyes?
glove off, because
No.
now I only need to hold it with one hand to put the lid on. Alright. So now we got a nice cool effect. Are you guys ready for the explosion?
Yeah!
Alright, I'm going to put the lid on, and then it will take maybe 15 seconds. But you'll want to keep your ears covered, okay? Yeah. Alright. And the grand prize.
and this will be awesome!